Have you ever wondered about the inefficiencies plaguing the current letter of credit process? The system, as it stands, is riddled with problems. Lack of transparency leads to potential for fraud. Slow and outdated paper-based processes make it a cumbersome exercise. The entire operation is dependent on third parties, leading to unnecessary complications. And let's not forget the high costs associated with it all. But what if we could transform this process, making it more efficient, transparent, and secure? Enter blockchain technology, a revolutionary approach that can solve these issues. Imagine a decentralized ledger that records transactions across many computers. This is blockchain. Its transparency allows all parties to access and verify transactions. Its security prohibits alterations, ensuring trust. In the letter of credit process, these characteristics can foster efficiency, reduce discrepancies, and eliminate the need for intermediaries. It's a transformative solution, making the complex simple and the opaque transparent. Blockchain has the potential to streamline the process like never before. So, how exactly can blockchain revolutionize the letter of credit process? Well, think real-time tracking, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This not only reduces costs but also speeds up transactions. Then there's increased security and trust thanks to the transparency and immutability of blockchain. No more waiting, no more unnecessary paperwork, just seamless, secure transactions. The future of trade finance is here. The blockchain-powered letter of credit process is not just a concept, it's ready to disrupt the banking sector. The future of the letter of credit process seems promising with blockchain. This technology holds the power to streamline operations, eliminate intermediaries, and ensure greater security and transparency. It's not just a theory, but a reality that's unfolding before us, poised to transform the banking sector. The potential of blockchain is enormous, promising a seamless and trustworthy process for issuing and honoring letters of credit. Blockchain is set to redefine the letter of credit process, heralding a new era of efficiency and transparency in banking.